Yeah, I take it for the road. Yeah, I take a glass for the road. People change, you know how it go. Had to rearrange. The digits on my phone. Feels like they wanna take the source off of me. Looking at mine like it's your property. When we just tryna ball properly. I ain't talking small, I want all the money. Hooper, rolling through your city, I'm a hooper.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Haitianqueen Dia. We are headed to MSC Cruise. We've landed in the port, in Miami. We're at a hotel. We're at Four Point Sheraton Hotel. I will give you a panel view of the hotel. And then tomorrow we'll be on our cruise. Just wanted to kind of give you an update on what's going on. Follow along. So we've made it to the Four Point Sheraton Hotel. I've stayed at the Sheraton many times. There goes Mom staying over there trying to be Superwoman with the bags. That's our welcome TV. We had a microwave in the room, and then they had a fridge. This is the panel view of the restroom, the entryway. It's the restroom to your right-hand side. And then we had two queen beds here. Now, this wasn't the best room, only because I guess they had just, I don't know, redid the floors or something, and so they had the fan going. But anyways, this is the closet. It had a safe, and this is where we hung our clothes. Well, we didn't hang our clothes. We were only here for one night, but that's where it would be. And then there was a shower only, of course, because my mom's limited mobility, so we got an accessibility room. There go me. And that is the room tour.
Say what, say what, say what, yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homies. Every first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up.
On the boat, guys.
You know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. And you know what's up. I know what's up. Said I'm big on you. And I'm wanting you.
So we made it to the room. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the room. So this is the entryway of our room. We were welcomed with a bottle of champagne and some fresh fruits. We had a large couch, and then this is the closet. You can hang a lot of things in this closet. The decor was really nice. And then we had two twin beds with our bath towels or pool towels, whatever you want to call them, with the MSC sign, big as day, right there. And then we had a balcony. I love the balcony. I spent most of my nights on the balcony before I actually went to bed. As you can see, this is a close-up of the balcony. So this is the bathroom. I've never been on a cruise where we had a tub in the bathroom. This was so spacious. Hey guys. Oh my gosh, this was awesome. I love this room. All right, we're headed to dinner. Are you excited, mamacitas? No? Okay, she's not talking. So, let's go, YouTube. So we had to change rooms because the restroom was not usable for my mother. So this is a new room tour, just so you know. All right, so it is the end of the night. Very eventful day. Got settled inside, found my suitcase. We'll talk about that later. But everything is going well. We did have to change rooms due to my mom's limited mobility, but it's still okay. Still great service, great room. I actually found a person that is Haitian on the boat. Oh my gosh. So that was pretty cool. And my dinner table was full of travel agents, and that was so nice being able to talk to other travel agents and all that. So tomorrow is a day of travel agent work, so I'm excited about that. We're going to be able to tour the yacht club, and there's a couple of like events that we're going to go to. I'm going to make sure that I am able to record every bit of it so you guys can see what we do for work. So this is not only a fun leisure trip, but it's a business trip as well. So end of tonight. Good night.